Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Essence here. If you're new, welcome, and if you are not new and you are a subby already, then welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the exact steps I take to grow out the nape area of my hair. And when I say the nape, I am talking about my kitchen. I am talking about the back of my hair up until maybe about the bottom of my earlobes, kind of that area there. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a backstory of my nape before I get into kind of the tips and steps that I've been taking to grow it out. For a very long time, I mean honestly as long as I could remember, years, I have had issues with my nape. I'm not sure if it's my protective styling because I do wear a lot of wigs, and when you wear wigs they are good for your hair because you're not tangling and pulling on them, but sometimes they're not good for the perimeter of your head, which is your edges and definitely your nape. When you put on a wig, it does add friction to the outsides of the cap. So wherever your nape area is and your edges are, it can sometimes rub it, and that could cause your hair to basically break off. It makes it very dry, it makes it very brittle, and before you know it, it'll be coming out of your comb. And that's really exactly what happened to me. Not only that, and this is something that I don't really like to talk about, but unfortunately I do have, I want to say it's a disorder, but I hate using the word disorder because it makes it seem as something I can't control. But I do have a habit of pulling out the nape area of my hair when I am either anxious, nervous, super excited, bored, pretty much whenever. I mean, I can literally just be watching TV and I notice that I'm like pulling on the back of my hair, and that has ultimately caused me to have what you call alopecia, and it makes it harder to grow the back of your nape. I have not completely made it dead yet, and I don't plan to, so it is something that I'm working on within myself, but it does take a little bit more time for it to grow, and I have to pretty much baby the nape area of my hair for it to even get close to what the rest of my hair is. Luckily my hair does grow really thick, so when I wear it in protective styles like this, or when I wear it down flat, when I straighten it, you can't really see, but it is kind of difficult to wear either up style buns or hairstyles that make my hair come up high like this. So I've always had issues with wearing really high buns and things like that, but I have kind of been doing everything that I can to make sure my hair isn't going through that or it's not falling out. So I've been getting a little bit more of growth back there since I've been doing these steps, and I will show you guys before and after of my hair since I have been pretty much following these steps. I literally don't do anything more than just being consistent. So you don't want to put too many products on it and too many new things on it and tugging on it too much, but you just want to be consistent. So you find the staple products that work for you and you use them every single day on this area, and I guarantee you 100% your hair will grow back. I don't care what anyone says, their cells are dead, their hair cells, their skin, whatever. If you keep your hair moisturized and you drink water and you don't tug on your hair in any type of way, I am a strong believer that the hair will grow back. I've seen it happen to many people, and I've seen it happen to myself when I thought that my hair wouldn't grow back. If you would like to see the tips that I do and what I do every night to make sure that my nape is healthy and is growing at its natural pace, then just keep on watching this video. So although it is also the thumbnail on this video, I'm going to go ahead and insert a small clip or picture really quick of what the back of my nape looks like for literally a year straight, and this was pretty much of last year. Here is a video of what my nape looked like here. It is really damaged, as you can see. I was pulling it, and it actually got to the point where I started getting little blisters, and they would just become sores, and it just came from literally tugging my hair out. And it's like the wigs was tugging my hair out, I was tugging my hair out, I wasn't wrapping it up properly at night, or I would wrap it up but the scarf would push up because there was nothing for it to grab onto, and it would cause my hair to fall out that way. So I do things a little bit more different now, just because I am on this healthy hair journey, and I like to wear cute ponytails and things of that such that go up. So I want to make sure that my hair can do that, you know. Here are some of the things that I use, and these are just 2 products that I use that work for me. You can use whatever works for you, as long as it is a moisturizer and an oil. Are the 2 that I use. So as far as moisturizer, I use the Cantu Shea Butter line, and this is the coconut curling cream. I do also use the Cantu leave-in conditioner. Either of these work. Today I'm just going to use this, but as long as you're using a heavy cream that works as a moisturizer, it works, because you're literally wanting the hair to be so soft that nothing can tug on it, nothing can make it come apart from your scalp. So when your hair is really soft and moisturized and it's just running through, you can't pull it out, or I can't pull it out. And then 2, it makes it harder for it to just snag on different things and tug on your wigs, etc. So you always want to go in with a cream moisturizer first. It could be Cantu, it could be Cream of Nature, it could be Shea Moisture, whatever you decide, as long as it's some type of whipped cream with a thick consistency. So this is what I am using tonight. The very next thing that I use that is very, very important is oil. I am currently using the Olive Oil Grow Therapy for healthy hair and scalp. This is just what I'm using currently, and I like this oil, and it is by Palmer's, and it does have Jamaican castor black oil in it. It's really thick, like it doesn't even come out. It's so thick, and I really like it because I need something that is thick, that's going to sit into my hair and really get into my scalp and basically feed it. Not only that, it also adds to making your hair soft and not able to tug on as much. So I'm going to use both of these, and I'm going to show you guys how I use them on the back of my nape. Okay, so my nape is nowhere near where I want it to be, but it's definitely better than what it was in these pictures that I've showed you. So this is kind of what I'm doing to grow it, and you guys can definitely go on this journey with me to growing my nape to the length of the rest of my hair. So the very first thing you want to do is get the rest of your hair out of the way. So I go ahead and just tie my hair into a high bun or ponytail. That way I can kind of differentiate the hair to my nape area.
And this ponytail is just going to be here so that
so I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to go ahead and brush down the nape area.
And I'm going to turn around so that you guys can see as well. But for now, I'm just kind of getting it all down and making sure.
Here is my nape currently. As you can see, it is very broken off. It is very different from the top of my hair. And it's literally just right here. And this is kind of where I pull. So I'm starting to get a little bit of length. It's very uneven, so it's not, you can't really tell as much, but this was completely gone before, as you can see in the video. I kind of have more issues here on this side because this is where I tend to pull the most, but we're going to stop doing that and grow our nape. So the very first thing I do is, one, like I stated, you're going to make sure you comb it all out so that you can know exactly what you're moisturizing. And this is pretty much where the breakage starts. I'm going to take my Cantu cream, and I'm just going to get a little bit on my finger, probably about this much. And I'm going to moisturize the nape area. We are going to oil the scalp. So this is when we take our olive oil. Any thick oil that you have will work. Oil is oil. And you're just going to do the exact same thing. I like to split it up and make sure I'm definitely getting my scalp. Because the scalp is where the hair grows from, not just the ends. So we're going to comb it through once more. And it literally feels better all freaking ready. And it's, yeah, you guys, it's definitely growing. Like, I can't be anything but freaking proud because my nape area was freaking screwed. But it's growing and I can't be anything but happy. So the next thing I do is get this out the way because I will pull on it. And not only that, you want to make sure the moisture is sealed in and it's just out of your way of the wigs. So you can either braid or you can flat twist. So I flat twist for now just because one is not that long. And then two, I don't want to put too much pressure on it or putting too much strain on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and flat twist the back of this area as much as I can. And you do want it to be kind of tight just because you want it to stay together, but not too tight to where it's basically pulling the hair and you are defeating the whole purpose of doing this. And I'm going to twist this side into itself. This does not have to be neat. It doesn't have to be cute at all. You're literally just getting the hair out of the way so that you can wrap it up and it can actually hold on to something when you put your scarf on. But this is pretty much what I do to my nape area, and then I'll take my scarf, wrap it on, and I will go to bed. And I do this every night. Sometimes I will do this routine in the morning if I have time. Alrighty guys, so that is pretty much all I do for my nighttime routine when it comes down to my nape area. You can do the exact same thing. It literally takes 5 minutes to just oil and moisturize your hair and then wrap it up. I promise you it will greatly appreciate you doing that and you'll see positive results in return. If you like this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Please let me know some of the tips you guys use to grow out your nape as well as your edges, because I need help. I need tips. I'm not perfect, and nor is the nape of my hair, nor is my hair at all. So anything definitely helps. Just remember to continue to moisturize and oil your scalp and drink water. If you do those steps, I guarantee you, you will have long lasting hair and it will grow overnight. Not literally, but it will grow and you'll definitely notice it and you'll become addicted to doing what it takes to make your hair grow. If you like this video, I think I already said this, give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that bell so that you can get all of my videos. I will be posting more natural hair tutorials, natural hair videos, and just more videos that you guys can kind of learn from and enjoy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at EssenceTierra1. That's EssenceTierra1. Follow me. I do follow back. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.